How you? Hopefully you're fine. First, let's watch the accuracy of this indicator. 86%, and this is the most recent trade. Okay, and this is TP1. Actually, this is algo, and it will give you the automatically take profit, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and entry. Okay, it's very simple and amazing indicator. Just watch the complete video, do not miss any point. Okay, I'm using 30 minute, but you can use in 5 minute time frame as well. Okay, let's see the results in 5 minute. 89%, that is awesome. Okay, you will get not big trades, but you will get only small trades like this one. Okay, you will not get lot of trades, but you will get less trade but more profitable. Okay, here you can see. Let me show you the results in some other pairs like forex in gold. In the gold, this is the most recent buy signal and 88% accuracy. If you will go to the performance, your indicator will be look like this one. That is actually awesome. Okay, here you can see long, this is short, and each and everything you can see. Okay, I will try to make this video very short. Okay, I will try so you can understand better and better total trades. Okay, open trades, winning trades. Okay, and here you can see all the trades here. Okay, and list of trades here you can see. Okay, in this trade you got some good profit. Is in this trade you are not getting profit. Okay, because you can see results you can see here. Okay, and here you can see these two trades give you some awesome profit. Okay, you can see this one give you some awesome profit, and this trade give you some awesome profit. Okay, so on both trade you get some awesome profit. If you will go to the setting of this indicator, if you will go setting and go to the properties and initial, you can change according to your scenario. Okay, and if you do not have time to look after of this algo, and if you want that automatic trading ho, okay, if you want actually I speak out the word that's okay. Okay, here you can see in both trade. After that you can see this give you small profit here, this trade give you a very small profit. Okay, and on that trade give you some awesome profit, and here you can see these results, and the previous results also very good one. So you can see this trade results of this give you a very small profit. Okay, and you can see it's give you a very small profit. Okay, and here you can see all the traders, you can see there is no issue. And now the point is, the indicator work on only on forex and crypto? No, my indicator work on all pair like forex, crypto, stock, indices. I will show you the results, and how you can get the indicator I will also give you the detail how you can get this indicator. It's very easy, just need to contact me. I will show you the contact details at the end of the video. Okay, and let's see the results in some other pairs like stock. Oh, okay, Indian market first, because mostly Indian people demanding me the best indicator for the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty as well. Okay, and you can see, go to the study tester, and here go to the overview, and that is the accuracy. And if you go to the performance, here you can see the results as well. Okay, here you can see that is awesome. Okay, and now we have need to look for some other pairs. Now I have need to show you the in other time frame as well. First you have SPX, because these are the most demanding pairs. Mostly people like to trade in some in these pairs. Okay, go to the study tester, and here you can see the accuracy. I'm using 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 15 minute time frame. Okay, in the 15 minute time frame, this is the most recent buy signal here. Okay, this is your stop loss, this was your int t, okay, and it will show you the take profit. Now here we come the most important point, the most important point here, this one. Here you can see this, your stop loss hit that one, okay. Your stop loss hit at this, and this trade is your in this trade your stop loss is hit, that's okay. And if you are getting this type of accuracy and some trades hitting your stop loss, that's okay actually, okay. Okay, the most important point that I have need to tell you, that here you got the buy signal, okay, and you can see no candle touch to the TP1. That means you do not need to exit your trade. Yes, you need to exit your trade when, or when you got the long signal, okay, and you need to exit your trade when you stop loss it, and again short trade, close your trade, go to the buy position, close your trade, go to the short position, and same here. Okay, now the most important point, you can auto trade your if you can connect your Binance, if you are trading in crypto, okay, you can connect your Binance, Bybit, whatever the crypto exchange you are using, you can connect your trading and it will automatically will go trades, okay, it will automatically. And if you are looking for the alerts, just go to the create your alert, okay, and symbol you have to select, okay, just need to click here, okay, and function just order fill only, okay, and just same interval, whatever the interval you want, okay, and just create and your alert will be created, okay. So alerts are available because mostly people are looking for the indicator that create the alert, so they do not have time, so alert will be created and they will automatically see the alerts and go for the trade, okay. That's actually easy, and because in 2025 and mostly people are busy and they do not have time to look for the chart all the time, so that actually a good one for the people who do not have time, okay. Go to the 4-hour time frame, okay. In the 4-hour time frame you can see there is it will not working, so I am really sorry, it's not working on 4-hour time frame, but you can use in 5 minute, 1 hour, or 30 minute. In lower time frame you can use any, there is no issue, but you cannot use, I'm really sorry, you cannot use in higher time frame, and that is a bad news. And but the good news is you can use in 1 hour time frame as well, there is no issue, okay. So actually that is a good impact that. And yes, I know my English are not so good, but I am trying my best to give you the best explanation and giving you the best indicator that give you the best results, okay. So here you can see that's the results here, and that's it. I think I gave you the all details. Any further query you can ask me, and for the better result you can add one more indicator, that is simple, okay, 4.8. I have need to show you. You can add the RSI ribbon because we need RSI to get more confirmation. If you want more confirmation, then you can add one more indicator, control A, control V, and first we have to create new indicator, okay. No, we do not need. If you want, you can use save your chart, control A, and remove all the code, then paste my code. I will give you text file, just need to okay, and then click on add to chart, okay. Your indicator will be ready in few seconds, and small changes done you have need to do in simple hook 4 point, because we have need to concern on the RSI, okay, because we do not need, just put the setting that I am showing in the video, okay. That's it. Swing mode uncheck, just it will give you the extra confirmation. How? Like this one, this one is the RSI. Let me show you some more details so you can get more results here, okay. Here you can see this is the RSI green one, Okay, this is the RSI ribbon actually. This is the most important. Okay, is this is the RSI. When the RSI is green, you can see the market going upside. Okay, when the candles come inside the RSI, so that is your, you have need to close your trade, and you do not need to go for any trade. And here you have, this is the area where we have need to open your short position. This is the area. Let me show you games some more details. When the candle come inside, here you can see under the when the candles come, yeah, you can see inside, this candle are outside, but this candle inside, so this is the area for the buy position. And when the candle come again inside, this is the area we have to open your short position, and RSI will also help you a lot. Okay, is this one. Here you can see this is actually a better confirmation and more confirmation, so you can get more and more accuracy. Okay, so that is actually a extra confirmation, but if you need only simple OGLX, that is okay. So if you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Remember, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels. So you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. Okay. Gmail simpleoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any question, any query, you can ask me, and I give you the explanation, and hopefully you will love it. Any further query, you can ask me. Okay, I give you one more explanation and one more important thing, and that is for the bank nifty, because mostly people from the India contact me for the indicator that give you the, here you can see TP1 hit, and this is the buy position, your TP1 hit easily, short position your TP1 hit, long position your TP1 hit, short position, and you can close your trade, and you can clearly see your TP1 is hit, and buy position, and you clearly give you some good profit. This short position did not give you the profit actually, it did not give you some good profit, but this profit is profitable. That is actually a profitable trade. That is another one, that is another one, and you can see all the trades almost all profitable. Okay, but if you need more and more accuracy, you can help, RSI can help you. Like this RSI is red, and so the short position is more helpful. And here you can see this RSI is green, so the buy position is so much helpful. Here you can see the short position and RSI is red, so this is a very good accuracy. Okay, so give you the explanation, and any query you can ask me, and if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Remember, if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember, write one at the end, because there are some fake Telegram channel, they are using my details, but they are fake. I do not have any Telegram channels, and I do not have any WhatsApp groups. All are fake, and they are using my details. Currently, more than 4,500 plus people are using my indicator. Never receive any complaint from any person. Okay, if you want to contact me on my Gmail, simpleoga@gmail.com. If you want to contact me on my Gmail, any query, any question, you can ask me, and hopefully you will love my video, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel, and okay, I give you the explanation, and hopefully you like it. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.